I needed to make a small step for our front door, and I used a walling coping stone for the top, and I needed to fix a handle. I used a handle that I'd had in my garage for some years. It nearly matches. I wanted to make the step 5.5 inches high. I made myself a plan of what I would use for the pieces underneath the top coping stone. I worked out what I required and went into the local stockist of Marshalite. The builder's merchants typed up my requirements with meticulous accuracy, and the cutting was done exactly to my requirement. You will notice that I added a bag of yellow building sand, and there's no cement on there because I had already got some in my garage.